A powerful tropical system named Melissa is moving across the Caribbean. But what exactly is a tropical storm, and how should we prepare scientifically? A tropical storm forms over warm ocean water when rising humid air creates rotating winds. When those winds reach 63 to 118 kilometers per hour, it's officially called a tropical storm. Above that, it becomes a hurricane or typhoon. As of October 25th, data from the National Hurricane Center shows Melissa approaching Jamaica with strong winds and heavy rainfall. Meteorologists forecast flooding, landslides, and possible coastal surge in low-lying areas. Science-backed safety starts with preparation. Follow official advisories only. Store 3 to 7 days of water and food. Charge phones and power banks. Stay indoors during flooding. Never drive through water. Check on neighbors and share verified updates. Weather science helps us predict and prepare, not panic. Stay informed through official meteorological channels and help others understand the facts behind the forecast.